Hi, my name is Louise Carewell, and I've practiced consumer law in Maryland legal aid for over 30 years. March 1 through March 7th is Consumer Protection Week. The purpose of Consumer Protection Week is to highlight people's consumer rights and to help you understand those rights and make better informed financial decisions. One of the focuses of Consumer Protection Week is to make sure that you protect your financial privacy, and by that I mean trying to safeguard your financial information and your personal information from those who may steal it, such as entities that get into credit reporting agencies or business websites. For that reason, you always want to make sure that you take a look at your annual credit report once a year. By going to www.annualcreditreport.com, you can download your 3 credit reports, and it's free. If you're notified of a breach from a business, you may have the opportunity to get free credit reporting, and you'll be able to look at your credit report as well. Never disclose your social security number or other personal information over the phone, on your cell phone, or over the internet, and please don't do it if you're in public, such as on a public street or public transportation. In addition, be aware that during tax time, you may get calls from individuals posing to call from the Internal Revenue Service or a state tax entity. They will never ask you for any personal information over the phone. So if they do, just make sure that you hang up and don't give them any information. Further, make sure that when you're dealing with any kind of financial technical information over the phone or online or on any apps you may have on the phone, that information is safe. When you enter into an agreement over the phone, make sure that you have fully reviewed the information. For example, did you know that when you rent a scooter, those agreements are over 30 pages long in most cases, and you may be giving up rights in case you want to challenge something that the scooter company has done? If you don't take a look at that agreement, you won't be aware of that. Finally, also do research on large purchases that you're going to make, such as purchases for your car or a home. Make sure you understand the terms, and if you don't feel comfortable entering into the agreement, don't allow a salesperson to make you feel that you have to sign the agreement. Those are some of the largest purchases that you ever may make in your life, and there's usually no way to undo that large an exchange of money. Go in prepared, know what your credit score is, having looked at your credit report, and set a limit of what interest rate and payments are acceptable. There are lots of resources available to you to take a look at during this Consumer Protection Week and every week of the year by contacting the Federal Trade Commission, the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau, the Maryland Attorney General's Consumer Protection Division, and your local library. All of those resources also have information on their websites. You can also visit Maryland Legal Aid's website for more Knowing Your Rights, information about consumer issues, bankruptcy, and foreclosures. Thanks so much, and have a great Consumer Protection Week.